Dear students, we will do a new module, module 102. This is Income Tax Authorities Part 2. I told you Income Tax Authorities, two types of authorities we are explaining in each module. So this I will cover the third type of authority and the fourth type of authority of income tax. So the third type is Director General of Income Tax or Chief Commissioners of Income Tax. So they are the key decision makers and supervisors. They ensure correct assessment and taxpayer relief. If anybody has some concern over that, they can approach them and they will settle that issue. Maintain proper tax administration. They function under CBDT as per the Income Tax Act 1961. We know that CBDT is the apex body which is controlling and regulating the tax administration in our country. It's part of middle and senior level management. They are involved in assessment, supervision and administration. Now the principal commissioner of income tax, they head the units, supervise assessing officers and handle administration. Then principal director or the director is, they manage specialized areas regarding investigation, international tax and systems. Now additional commissioners of income tax or additional director, they are assisting the senior officials, perform supervisory and quasi-judicial roles. Next is powers of Director General of Income Tax and Commissioner of Income Tax. They have the power to revise incorrect statements, mistaken orders, prejudicial to revenue. Any mistaken order or anything incorrect information, they can correct that. They have the power to correct that. Revision for SSC. This is provided under section 264 of the Income Tax Act. They can give relief to taxpayers. You know that section 89(1) and all, we can claim relief for our tax payment. So they can grant relief to taxpayers if it's allowable under the Income Tax Act. Now approval powers, they have approval for reopening a file and search cases and proceedings. Now supervisory and administrative powers of Director General of Income Tax or Chief Commissioners of Income Tax. They have the supervisory power, that is to monitor, guide and assessing officers. So assessing officers are coming in direct touch with the general public. So they have the power to monitor and guide assessing officers. They have the administrative power to allocate work and ensure CBDT instructions. Whatever the apex body, Central Board of Direct Taxes are giving the instructions, they will see that it is implemented properly. Call for information, obtain records, reports from officials if they want to check any further proceedings or anything they want to verify. They have the power to call for records and reports from officials concerned. And they have the quasi-judicial power, that is to hear cases and pass orders. Similarly, senior authorities. So next category is the principal directors of income tax or principal commissioners of income tax. So they are the senior officials under section 116 of the Income Tax Act 1961. Principal directors of income tax or principal commissioners of income tax. The title itself is giving, they are the senior authorities under the Income Tax Act 1961. They perform a key role in tax administration and supervision. They also ensure enforcement of direct tax laws. They part of higher level management. They functions under CBDT, Central Board of Direct Taxes. Their jurisdiction is based on region, function or taxpayer category. The principal denotes the higher rank. Principal, the term principal shows that it's a higher level authority. Now what are the powers and functions of principal directors of income tax or principal commissioners of income tax? First we will see the powers of principal authorities. They have the administrative control, supervise officials and ensures tax law implementation. Second is assessment role, guide and oversee assessments, handle sensitive cases. If there is any irregularities reported or anything, any sensitive issues they can take. Now revision, this is provided as per section 263 of the Income Tax Act. Revise mistaken or serious cases, orders prejudicial to revenue. Now authority, what is the authority? They have the authority to enhance, modify or cancel assessments. Now what are the additional powers? They have the additional power to transfer cases. This is provided under section 127 of the Income Tax Act. That is, shift cases for convenience or investigation from one region to another, from one authority to another. They have the approval powers, approval for search, assessment and key cases. Now, supervisory roles oversee investigations and tax evasion cases. Next is monitoring, handle high value and complex cases, and quasi-judicial authority they have. That is, they can ensure fair and reasoned decisions. So this is what I wanted to explain in this module. Happy learning. Thank you.